In the last lesson, we saw how to change the font face of text using the font markup tag. And now we're going to look at how to change the size of the text using the font markup tag. So here we have the same paragraph, and I'm going to go ahead and insert a font tag. I'm going to use the size attribute. And close the font tag here. And we'll say size equals 3. 3 is the default size, so when I save this and reload it in the browser, we won't see any change at all. But if I go ahead and make it 4, see it gets a little bigger. Save, reload, there it is. And if I make it 2, we'll see that it gets a little smaller. Go ahead and save that and reload. There we have now smaller text. So 3 is the default, and numbers between 1 and 6 are valid. So 1 is very, very small. Look at 1. Save, reload, that's very, very small. And we'll look at 6, which is very, very big. Save here and go ahead and reload, and 6 is very big. Besides using the absolute numbers, you can also use relative numbers. If I say +1, it'll make it one size larger than what is current, which is the default. So it's just that bigger font. It's just like 4. And if I say -1, it'll make it one smaller than what's in effect at this place in the document, which is the default in this case, so makes it smaller. So you can use relative sizes and you can use absolute sizes. I tend to like the relative sizes more. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to +1. And then I'm just going to show you one more thing we can do here. We can combine the face and size attributes. So if I say face equals sans serif and save that, you'll see that we'll get a sans serif font that's a little bit larger than the default. So that's the font size tag, and you see you can use it also in combination with the font face tag. And remember that the font tag is an inline tag, and so it belongs inside of the paragraph, not on the outside of the paragraph.